Dr. Iwakiri, it's very nice to have you here today. Congratulations on the publication of the article titled "The Lymphatics in the Liver for Translational Science." Would like to take a few of your minutes to ask you some questions about this article. Sure. So my first question is, we all study liver and nobody really talks about lymphatics. What makes you get interested into the lymphatics?
Yes, so it was about like 10 years ago when I read the very elegant classic literature published in 1960s and 70s showing the physiology of liver lymphatic system. And I wrote a review paper with my colleague, very close colleague, Dr. Chu-Han Chan, about the role of hepatic lymphatic vascular system in ascites formation. That was in 2013. And then after that, we happened to find a huge increase of lymphatic vessel numbers in the portal tract area in the histological section of liver, cirrhotic livers, while normal liver, we don't see it. Then actually there are several people already shown that there is increased lymphatic vessel numbers in this pathological livers. But as you know, we don't see lymphatic vessel in the liver textbook. Since then, we actively started studying liver lymphatic system.
So based on your study, what is the role of lymphatics in the liver?
So basically, there are several important functions of the liver homeostasis. It maintains the fluid homeostasis, and also it mediates the transport of various immune cells, lipid, protein, and antigens to nearby lymph nodes. So therefore, this function of liver lymphatic system or liver lymphatic vasculature could enhance the hepatic inflammation and may promote the development and progression of liver diseases.
I see. So why is it important to study liver lymphatics in terms of diagnostics and therapeutics of liver disease?
Yes, despite this important function of lymphatics in the liver, compared to other organs, the presence and the role of hepatic lymphatic system are not very well studied and very well known. So therefore, studying liver lymphatic system will significantly advance our understanding of liver biology and liver pathophysiology.
I'm sure that as a sort of a relatively new frontier of liver research, there's a lot of challenges. And what are the challenges in studying liver lymphatics?
Yes, so the first reason would be the structural complexity of the hepatic lymphatic system. Although most of the lymphatic vessels are located in the portal tract area, some are found in the capsular region, and few are also noted in the central hepatic venous area. And the second reason would be the limitation of lymphatic endothelial cell markers. Common lymphatic endothelial cell markers are also expressed by other major liver cell types, for example, hepatocyte. So that would limit the lymphatic endothelial cell specific manipulation of genes of our interest.
So to the hepatologists, especially transplant hepatologists and the transplant surgeons, we don't usually think about lymphatics, and during liver transplant, we don't really connect lymphatics. Is there any implications of the lymphatics biology for transplant hepatology?
Yeah, this is a very interesting question. In fact, I'm often asked the same question when I gave a talk about the liver lymphatic system. One study of experimental model of rat liver transplantation showed an increase in new lymphatic vessel formation, lymphangiogenesis, called lymphangiogenesis, in the transplanted liver. Interestingly, this increase in post-transplant lymphangiogenesis in grafts was associated with the long-term survival of recipient, more than 90 days. In contrast, those rats with graft failure by 11 days post-transplantation showed the disappearance of lymphatic vessel in severely rejected areas. So this means that lymphatic vessel is increased or somehow modulated after transplantation. And also this may suggest that lymphatic vessels in donor livers may be reconnected to the host livers. So this is an interesting area to be explored.
Very cool. Thank you very much, Dr. Iwakiri. And
Thank you,
I hope
Gordon.
more people will read your paper and more people will join the research of liver lymphatics.
Thank you for this opportunity.